welcome back, subscribers, to Projects with Chaz. How the freak am I going to do that? Today's project is my daughter's clogged sink. It's full of hair and who knows what's in there, but it's full of water and it's crazy. So I got to drain the water so she can use her sink. And I'm not going to use chemicals because our house is on a well. It may seep into our water system. Who knows where it goes? But with all the neighbors being on Viagra and who knows what, I definitely don't want to add chemicals to my diet. So I'm going to use this thing. It's called a Zip It. I found it at Ace Hardware. I'm not a spokesperson for them, but I do use this occasionally and it works like a freaking champ. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So stay tuned. Okay, this is one of those weird sinks that has the pop-up lid. So as I'm pushing this, there's crap coming out from the drain. So you need to unscrew this. Actually, maybe just unscrewing this is going to drain it. I've tried this a couple times. Whoa. There's some weird stuff in there. To really detach it, you need to get under the sink, because I remember that when I put this together. But this gets it loosened enough where I can stick this down in there. So I'm going to try to cram this in here. And then rip it up like a ripcord. Got some hair. Whoa. I don't know what these yellow things are. Who knows what that is? Stick it down, give it a nice little plunger. Just go all the way around it. The little teeth on here are going to grab whatever's in there. If you're grossed out, this might not be the job for you. But it's cheaper than calling a plumber. I'm going to grab a paper towel or something and scoop this up. And get some of these chunks out of here. And turn on some water. I'm going to try screwing this back in and just see if it drains now. Well, it's draining better than it was. So I'm going to feed this in. Dig deep. Oh my god. Oh. So, I don't know if that's a rat or what this is, but that could be our culprit. Looks like somebody's probably going bald. Needs to comb their hair somewhere else. So tighten this up. Oh! Clean this thing off and save it for another day. You just saved yourself a bundle of cash. Go to the hardware, find one of these things. Works like a freaking champ. Alright kids, another successful project with Projects with Chaz. Really unclogged my daughter's sink. It was full of hair and who knows what, boogers. No idea. Like all successful projects, I'm going to end this one by cracking a beer. So if I helped you out with this little gadget, subscribe to my page, like my page, comment, and enjoy unclogging your sinks and saving yourself a pile of cash. Till next time.